exact thought process. Yeah, I did play this game before. Let's look up. I'm gonna disconnect the video, please. Why is there? I don't know. But there's like a virus thing. I don't know why. Anyway, yeah. I played this game before. It wasn't like a video. I just found it and I was like, "What's Field Trip?" And then I clicked on it. It was like a story game. And I didn't know these drastic things because this was my PC was broken. And yeah. Where everyone is. I basically know what's gonna happen. So if I don't have much of a reaction, then yeah, that's what I want. Also, the creator of this guy, yeah, you can see her right there. His name is Chaperone on a game called Field Trip. Also, I think he made a sequel to this. Which, why would you go on another field trip? Like, this is like Miss Frizzle's field trip. And Miss Frizzle's definitely getting sued after this. Alright, have fun! Welcome to the Roblox Museum. You never told us anything. You're just like, alright, here's the museum, have fun. Am I in the museum? It's like in a Spider-Man TV show, like, it's like one of our most 10 dangerous weapons on the planet. Am I one of them? No. Wow, look at this! Isn't it so cool? It's a freaking cat! Yes, it's an ancient animal. There's a cat! Back in the day, it was ahead of its time. Now it's almost extinct. And one day, it will make it come back. Well, why? Let's keep looking around. Doesn't make sense. Oh, there's a cute little polar bear. Also, why is our teacher right there? Why does he look like he's from Little World? What's a polar bear? The epic duck, a magnificent creature. It's a freaking duck! It's just so amazing. This is like the museum of the internet. The internet makes sense. Let's keep looking around. Oh yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, this is a polar bear. Bing bong, bing bong. It's not from... Oh, I'm one step ahead of you, Miss Frizzle. Art! Let's keep looking around. That was like 3 bears from like Duck and Race. Alright, let's go check out the new exhibit. I would say if this was like a normal world, I would probably go in there. Okay, class, gather back around. Is that a freaking chocolate bar? Like, I know I already said I played this game, but isn't this a freaking chocolate bar or is this a brick? It looks like a chocolate bar. I've never seen a glow like this. Oh, I'm running. It is also making a weird noise. Stay your distance. Yes. Malik, where's that smoke? It's like joyful music. We all gonna die! Hey girlies, we're all gonna die! Shout out to that person. Okay, and if all else fails, use my head as food. What was that? It's a monster. I am going to hide under my blue bed. I am going to stay with this dude because he seems like he'd actually be nice. Class, gather back around. I'm not sure. It's getting late. I think it's time to go to bed. Why don't we go to the freaking bus? We'll all have lights on this room and we'll get security to check it out. Why? Get ready for bed. Y'all smell like fish sticks. I'm gonna hide under here because I am very much worried. Didn't you say the lights were gonna be on or something? I don't see any lights. The power's gone out. No, it looks pretty okay to me. Someone needs to go find the power. I'm not. I'm going to hide under my bed sheets. Because monsters can't get you under your bed. Be careful. I think the monster is lurking around again. I'm not gonna go. I will stay under my bed sheets. I will even go on top because I think that will make it better. I will even go on the top. Because hopefully I can cover up the pillow and get a little good view. And I'll even hold my phone just to zoom in on it. Yeah, that was me hitting my foot hitting the keyboard. Probably saying what I'm doing. Okay, the lights are back on. That's reassuring, Miss Frizzle. I'm going to see you after this. I think it's best that we leave now. This will have returned into a disaster. Yeah, you think? Okay, Flash, get back to the bus. Also, the bus is gonna get thrown off a cliff. Not really thrown off a cliff. It's gonna go. Basically, if you got the overnight one, basically this is what would happen after that. I'm gonna hide over here. Get back to the bus. Oh no, it's smoking around the bus. Yeah, basically that's what's gonna happen. Something happened to it? The bus is destroyed. It looks pretty intact to me. How are we supposed to get out here? I mean, have you ever heard of walking? Remain calm. We need to stay calm. Do you think I am calm? No wonder you ran away. Wait, oh no. The community has gone missing. I think we need to find them fast. Why are there just like colors? It's like as worse as the Iron Man 2 painting. It's just a freaking lie. Well, and also I said that because I just watched Iron Man 2. We found them. Yeah, and you think they're freaking arms? Why did they have no clothes? I don't know what we should do now. I say we call the police. I completely forgot what happened. Something is coming from the Egypt exhibit. Yeah, I know it's happening, but I don't know. I thought we would come there, but I thought something else happened. I don't know. I think you guys know that I played this, or at least watched one. Oh my gosh! But yeah, I played this before. I only got to I got after this part because then I couldn't figure out what I needed to do. Now, why would we come to here if it literally almost killed us? Oh my god! Oh no, it's the same thing. Okay. You know, all hail Anubis. All hail. Yeah, I'm gonna friend some people by saying that. Humans disturbing my peace once again. I will give you an option. Return this artifact back to my home in Egypt. Or die. And you can. So what will it be? We'll return it and go to Egypt. This is Far From Home, but without Spider-Man. Wise choice. But how do we get there? Our bus is destroyed. It's super easy. Just get teleported. What do you mean? We're already here. Hurry, go into the pyramid. Return the artifact. Yeah, this is the part that I did get to. And you'll see why I didn't actually get to it. Because I didn't know if I buy a lucky coin. Choose wisely. Yeah, you see, this is the part that I did get to, but I realized that you can't actually see if. Does he know it's real? Is it real, dude? Oh wait, I'm gonna ask him. Is that the right choice? Is that the right choice? Oh, we can't see the chat. Wait, well, whatever. Get it! Oh no, wait, can I climb? Wait! No! Yes! I can climb up! No, wait. Yeah, I can actually climb up. No! No! Well, can I at least try to avoid it? Is there even like an actual way for me to avoid this? Yes! I actually got past it. Oh no, parkour. Oh god. I think I might actually be able to beat this. Oh god. It's like so stressful. Cause I know if I fail, it's only one life basically. Dang it! Why am I gonna spend 50? I think basically what will happen, I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Like, I found a way to actually cheat through it. Which I think that's what you're supposed to do, because I think both of them lead you to lava. But yeah, I think that's what it does. And if it is what I'm supposed to, I think he did a sequel. And if he did do a sequel, then yay. Wait, so, no, he didn't make a sequel. Thanks God. Why are you thanking God? Where'd you go? Yeah, okay, so since I really can't do it, like I can't actually cut to when I'm actually at, basically if you want me to go through this whole thing again, then you can watch it, or what you can do is just skip through it. You probably need to like skip to like maybe like 20 minutes. I don't know. Wait, what's like the new Tiki Island? Wait. Oh, okay, never mind. He did do another one. Well, never mind. Don't skip through it. Probably already did. And if I, what the frick am I at now? Okay, well, why did I go on another field trip with you? Who thought it was a good idea? Like, how is everyone's parents in this thing is like, yes, we must go on this field trip again. Now, like, the other one was a complete disaster, and we all went to Egypt and died. But basically, what I'm going to assume, also, update on the overnight one, I don't think I really need to complete it anymore, because I'm going to just say I did. After I disconnected on that one, main place. It really named it main place. Anyway, yeah, after you open the door, welcome to Tiki Island. Why did I go on another field trip with you? Why? It was a long trip on a bus, but we finally got here. How did we even get here on a bus? Well, I guess it really is the magical bus. And what happened was we go to a door, and then he's like, David, you're alive. Look at the natives. Is this like a freaking stone? Oh, got a boogity there. What? Where are the papers? Please look better in the magazines. It's freaking. This is a Tiki Island. What'd you think? At least we made it here alive. Yeah, but some things always go wrong on Earth. Yeah, but some things always goes wrong. Don't jinx it. You will, Miss Frizzle. And we're going to have a great time. No, we will not. Why are you wearing a floaty? Well, I just missed it. Was she wearing a floaty last time? Yee! Time to party. Yeah. I want to go party with them. I want to go party with them. Smashy dance. Yeah, I'm just like, basically, this is what happened. And what happened though is like, you open the door, like, David, you're alive. Thank God. And then the demon's there, and it turns out David's like what demon? It's like the demon that has like a really ugly face, and he's like no one That's right, I should get a new frizz because apparently he's a demon. And I was right. Wow, it got dark fast. Yeah, no kidding. And then he pulls an Ebony. Well, time for bed. Get a 10. I'm going to go with the teacher. Actually, I should not go with the teacher. Good night. And he basically pulls like a Infinity War Squidward. You know, the part where like he has to get the time stone. And then he just like will take the time stone off their corpse. It's basically what David says, but with a face. And that's like probably the most brutal thing ever, but nothing really happened. Oh, this is DT. Oh no, this is the teacher, Floaty. She's gone missing. I told you I shouldn't have went with her. Mine. Yeah, something always those ones. Yeah, you fake like a world did. I'm going back to the bus. Well, you know, I would go with you, but the last time the bus flew at us, so yeah, this one I actually never played, so yeah. And then like the demon attacks you. You get a gookie got. What? Wait, we're gonna get attacked. It's gonna be Hop and Shaw. They won't let us get on the bus. It's gonna be Hop and Shaw, isn't it? Demon's like a wolf! Oh, he said that. Yep. We need to collect 10 apples. What's an apple? Anyway, and then like the demon attacks you. Alright, collect 10 apples. Do you have time on it? Wow, what the fuck was the apples? I don't know what an apple is. I would say like, don't tell me that apples are like, what's an apple? Well, basically, when the demon attacks you, I could be going to go this, but read everything. Basically, the demon attacks you, and then it goes black, and you find thinking, yeah, that's a cliffhanger, like you didn't play it. And if you did play it, then you'll realize that at the end you can take, I think it takes one of you, here you go. Take them. Let us on the bus. Or, you're mad at this for some reason. Hurry, run to the trees. What tree? Where the trees go? Question. I'm safe. What, they just disappeared? I died and you don't care? Yeah, this is actually kind of what makes the field trip way worse. They never like acknowledge your death. Yeah, I don't know if I probably will do it again. Yeah, I probably will. Yeah, but basically it didn't choose one of y'all, I think, randomly. But in this case, it'd be me. And it's like, hey y'all, sorry my house is far away from the city, but you come on inside. And then you're thinking, wait, that's the same line David did. So yeah, I think that's how the next one will probably go. I don't know if it has anyone else. I don't think it does because I watched a video of it. It was just 2 people. But I'm only one, so it'll only be me. And it would still only them. Yeah, I'm going to try to do this again. Never mind the bus left. Really, this is the magic school bus. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, if there is any videos that I don't talk in, those are videos that I did make before. Those are videos I did make before I am actually talking to video. I haven't uploaded them. I was working on uploading them. Yeah, then those are those videos. I guess bye. I'm gonna try to do this in a video. Yeah, bye.